Alright friends, let's do the next question now. An exporter has 100K, that is 1 lakh dollar forward sale at 62.52. So he sold 1 lakh dollar at 62.52. They asked to roll it over for 1 month. So how do you roll it over for 1 month? You will have to cancel the contract and extend it for a further period of 1 month. Today's spot rate is 62.68/72. What is the immediate cash cost to the exporter? So how do you cancel this? Buy 1 lakh dollars. So when I buy, it will be ask rate 62.72. So what will be the loss that you're making over here? 62.52 minus 72 into 1 lakh. 20,000 will be your loss. So this is the right answer. I hope you are clear with this video, friends. Thank you so much.